Welcome to the Royal Australian Chemical Institute. Established in 1917 and incorporated as an association in 2000, the RACI acts as the key body for chemists in Australia, advocating the interests and activities of the chemical sciences, with over 4,000 members across the country. Representing and catering for the needs of all our members is a priority, whether that's for first-year graduates or for retirees who still have an active interest in chemistry. Our services and activities range from professional and career development opportunities across all chemical science sectors through to regular and engaging networking opportunities. We also exist to further the chemical science knowledge in Australia. This is far-reaching, from creating educational initiatives in secondary and tertiary schools through to communicating the importance of chemistry to the public and to government. The mission of the RACI is to be the Australian voice for the chemical sciences and to advance the professional interests of its members. We advocate the importance of chemistry to the public and to all levels of education, industry and government. We run events for members throughout the year, allowing members to expand their chemical knowledge and professional development while simultaneously embracing their interests.
Now that we know a little bit about the RACI, I want to introduce you to the RACI Victorian branch. My name is Associate Professor Rajesh Ramanathan and I am the Victorian branch president. The Vic branch has 10 specialist groups to cater to the needs of the members. To name a few, we have the Chemical Education Group, Women in Chemistry Group, Health, Safety and Environment Group. The members of RACI get access to important chemistry news, free or reduced prices for events and conferences, mentoring, jobs and career information, recognition, networking opportunities, and a wide range of chemistry resources. Each group within the branch organizes a range of events that benefit its members. For instance, the Teachers Professional Development Day provides teachers hands-on training to prepare for the new VCE study design. Another popular event is the Heart and Youth Lecture Series. This gives students from years 9 to 11 an opportunity to learn from experienced researchers and inspire them to pursue a career in chemistry. Through the branch, we have a little bit of something for everyone, even if you're in school or you're retired. Have a look at a short video highlighting some of the activities and events we run at the Victorian branch.